Test your might. Finish him!
Hold on a second. What the fuck is wrong with you? What is wrong? You're doing this and all over the place. You are a crazy person. I'm sorry. What the? No! I'm going to tell someone this is not my...
Scary, bro. You look like fruit.
Finish him. Oh. Come on, want some too much shit?
Oh, yeah.
Finish her!
What? There's a camera right there. You're on my prank show. Wow. You're a fool. What up, everybody? Thank you so much for watching this video. If you'd like to see part 1, go ahead and click on it on the screen right now or check the description below. I'd like to say thank you so much for helping me acquire this beautiful 1,000,000 subscriber plaque. I truly appreciate it. If you'd like to check out more videos and help us earn more plaques, go ahead and subscribe right now. Alright? I'll see y'all.